Hey guys, it's the morning. I just woke up. It's 7:01 because like my alarm just went for 7 o'clock. My hair came out of my bonnet, so that's amazing, but at least it's straight. I'm gonna go brush my teeth. I finished brushing my teeth. I'm gonna brush my hair and oil it. The ends are getting really dead. Just like to brush gently because it's really hot. It's, exam season, so straighten my hair again. But this time it's looking a lot better. Okay, using this oil. Just to I'm just going to be using this hair tie just for now, so my hair is out of my face. I'm going to go over some skincare. Okay, so I'm not going to be cleansing my face again because I already did. First, I like to start off niacinamide. I like to combine this with my moisturizer. SPF. This is more thicker, so I like to do this after. I like to use this organic coconut oil from Skin Blends just to prep my lips. Also my lip treatment because my lips are extra dry. That's why I prep my skin. It is shiny and it's looking good. And I'm gonna go to my bedroom and do my makeup. I'm gonna first clip my hair back because I don't want to get any more dents from tying my hair. I didn't even tie my hair when I went to sleep. First start off with concealer. I'm gonna do it on the back of my hand. Mix a little bit of the lighter one with a small brush. The shade match is insane. A little bit in the middle. So now I'm gonna do my under eyes. This is my actual shade. Well, no, this is actually darker. Sculpt this area. And above my brows. This is like a different technique I like to use. Just here. To just sculpt the area. Reverse contour. So let that set. Meanwhile, we can do bronzer. I might actually do some blush before, and I was thinking of using red lipstick for blush. I don't usually do that. I used to do this before I got my Benetint. This is like an old hack of mine, and it actually really works as a really good blush. Blend it in. So I wanted to use a bit of Benetint as well. I want to do a high blush placement, like here. Okay, wait, I like that blush. I'm gonna use some bronzer. This bronzer makes me break out, but I love the shade so much and I need to get a darker bronzer because this one from W7, it's not bad, but it's like, it's not as pigmented as I want it to be. Or at least maybe it's not my shade. Okay, just like in between where you did the concealer and the blush. I feel like it's better whenever I do makeup in natural lighting. Oh my god, I love that. It's like bronzer and blush mixed together. I love it. I'm gonna blend in my under eyes, around my lips, and my eyebrows. Yes, I blend with my fingers because it gives the most natural results. Okay, I look like I got sunburned at low-key. I'm gonna go in with the lighter concealer and just trying to give that illusion that I don't have those big lines. So I'm gonna be concealing around it. I'm going to curl my lashes and put some powder on it because apparently that will make your lashes more thicker when you do them, so I'm gonna do that. I just can't with lash curlers. Guys, I don't usually do my makeup like this for school, but You know, it's okay to go to school in like a full beat. There's not even a full beat, so yeah. Okay, powder. Sky high. I'm gonna do the other side and come back. Okay, there. I just cleaned it up a little bit. I got a bit of brown eyeshadow and I'm just doing my brows. Lip liner. To clean up the mascara. Yep, there is. Even though I can't see it, I'm gonna do this to get rid of any excess. Hey guys, I'm running out of time, so I'm gonna go quickly get changed and be back. I have like my favorite necklace on, so yes. So I have my favorite, not my favorite, but one of my perfumes. I'm not using grwm today. I'm using Party Flower. I don't freaking know. I need to get away from my hair, and I need to smell good. Yeah, and I also have a really pretty claw clip that I'm gonna put my hair into. 2 sections. See how easy that was? I only do this with straight hair. I'm gonna go eat. Okay guys, now I'm gonna pack my bag. Mint, just in case. Umbrella, just in case the magpie tries to swoop. And if it rains and I got straight hair. Laptop. Water bottle. Also grabbed another book. You know, I just take random books to school. I don't even have like an actual proper book because I randomly lost all my subject books in the middle of the year. This is why you don't keep your locker unlocked, guys. But I never look back at my notes anyway. My lunch, which is mangoes, chicken burger, and roll-ups. Yeah, I have a good lunch. I have this one, this lip balm. It's a good one. So yes, maybe heading out. Okay guys, thank you for watching my morning routine. I'm heading out for school now, so bye.